Today we have a video from This Is Bodycam, and the title of the video is Nissan employee caught using fake bills in scam to steal thousands.
On October 17th, 2024, deputies responded to the Jenkins Nissan dealership after surveillance footage recorded 24-year-old Nikira Sims taking money out of the cash register and replacing it with counterfeit bills from her backpack. Here's what happened when deputies arrived.
He's in the office.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right, so my name's Officer Navarro, the Leesburg Police Department, Officer Gazinski. Do you have any idea why we're here?
No.
No. Okay. Do you know there's cameras in here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Everywhere?
I know.
Where you're sitting?
Yes.
Where you work?
I know. Everywhere.
Okay, so you have nothing to say?
No.
All right, so get up, put your hand behind your back.
For what?
I'm not gonna ask again.
Mom, what's your phone number? They're talking about put my hands
24 to
behind my
49, I'll call you right back.
back. Yes, Mom. What's your phone number? I need to know your phone number. I don't know.
You're gonna be able to get your phone in a second.
Okay. He said I'll be able to get my phone in a second.
Yeah. I'm just gonna call 49 real quick.
Oh, you can't be on your way, Mom, because I don't know what's going on.
Actually, you can take a yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to read this to you. Just let me finish it, and then you can just answer the question I'm going to ask you at the end, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
So, like I said, just let me finish it. You've probably heard this in movies before, but I got to say it all. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
Yes.
Do you wish, having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me if I have any questions? If I can make a question, I can ask a question, you can decide to answer it or not.
You can't tell me what's going on.
I'm
So I have to say yes or no before I can.
oh, yeah.
Okay. Yes, I'll talk.
Okay.
Come on, do I? They just read me my rights. What do I say?
All right, so, ma'am, stop. I can just put the phone over here. So there's camera footage here of you taking money out of this backpack, putting it into a cash register, and then taking money out of that cash register and putting it into this bag.
Getting change yesterday when I got change?
Out of your personal bag?
Yes.
Okay.
I was getting change. I've done that before.
$260 of change?
I was getting change for 100.
Okay, I'm just asking.
And then I had.
So-
yes, I got change yesterday.
Okay, is there any reason why those bills then... So you're saying you received that in a transaction?
No, I got money from my brother. So me and my brother, we were staying together.
Okay.
He ended up leaving.
So it's your
He gave me
personal
some
money?
Yes.
So you think you can bring your personal money and take it out with Nissan's money?
Getting change.
Yeah, that's the same thing. You're putting your personal money
Yes.
into their cash registers,
For smaller bills.
and you're taking money out of their cash register.
To the cashiers yesterday.
Who? So you're saying you got approval for this?
Yes.
From who?
I was like, hey, do you guys have change? And they were like, you can get it out of there.
I'm just asking, who gave you approval to do this?
I spoke with Angie and Jackie. They were in there, and I asked them for change, and they were like, "Oh no, we don't have any change, but you can get it out of there."
Would there be any reason why she would have permission to do this?
No, we don't.
I don't
We did it
exchange
before.
change, especially with $100 bills. That's not something that
They
we do.
told me that even my first week. Like multiple people have gotten change. People do it from the tech.
We'll get a receipt for this in a second. Just saying that we got this from you guys, okay? Okay. Well, the bills are counterfeit, so the bills are not real. Technically,
Know that?
that's not. Technically, you stole $260 from Nissan. You put fake bills into their cash register.
No, they were fake.
Okay.
It was just money that my brother gave me. I'm like, okay.
I understand,
It was gonna go
but
to
listen,
my rent, but
I understand all that, but let's be real. Doing that that's not even
I know
reasonable.
now that
No.
it's
Doing the whole I'm getting change from Nissan's cash register to make my own. Like, I think you're old enough to know that doesn't even make sense. Like, you shouldn't even be doing that at all. Wherever. This is your place of employment. This isn't your bank. So this isn't a place for you to be doing those transactions, especially when, I saw the video, so it's not like, and you can say what you want, but I saw you on video doing exactly that. All right. So right now we for sure have obviously theft because they're out $260, and then obviously there's counterfeit bills that are obviously marked with the marker. So you're just gonna have to give me a few minutes. I'm speaking to a few people that are not from here. They're my supervisor and all that, and then we'll be going from there. Okay.
Can I call my mom?
Nah, not right now.
The deputy now heads outside to talk to his supervisor about the situation and review the CCTV footage once again. A records check revealed that she had a previous conviction for theft back in February
she's
of
done.
the same year. As a result, deputies immediately returned to the dealership and placed the woman under arrest.
Yeah, mom ain't helping you out of this
The
situation.
lighter can't go with you, all right? Nothing else here. All right, with the back of my hand, I'm gonna touch this back here, all right?
My vape is back there.
They won't let that go in either, okay? Anything on this one?
I'm not sure.
With this being on her not meeting the exact description of the other $20 bill, this has to go with her. So you guys will see her in court anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8, all singles. We'll put this in here for now. This will be going with you to the jail, right? And then put these in here. Reference to her car, right? Because you drove here. What do you guys want to do?
It needs to be off property.
Do you have an extra key somewhere?
No, that's the only one.
Until when?
By the end of the day.
Okay.
We just have to call someone to come and get it.
Well, because you're going to have a bond. So if you can have someone bond you out, so you're going to have someone to come and pick it up, or they'll have it towed by tomorrow. If you don't, what tow company do you guys use?
Spencer's.
So you have to call Spencer. So, because this has to go with you too.
I don't remember anyone's number.
You're going to have to...
Write my mom's number down.
You're going to have, at the jail, you can
Okay.
get your phone. Boom, like I said, you're going to have a bond. So you can bond out today. You can be out by the middle of the day, mid-afternoon. We'll be going to the Liberty Police Department now. We'll probably be there around 2 hours in reference to doing all the paperwork. We do all the paperwork there so that when you go to the jail, you go straight in. You can call somebody. They can call a bondsman, and you can bond out.
Would I be able to use my phone like when I get there?
You use their phone. You're going to have to be... You can get your phone and get a phone number. Yeah, they'll let you get like 5 phone numbers, yeah. Oh, 37. When you get back to your car, you think you can fill out a 27A and then have her sign it, please?
Sorry, I'm guiding you. I don't know.
No, you're fine.
Where to go.
I mean, like I said, if you have someone that bond you out, you can bond out today, whether it's your mom or brother. Take a seat in there.
Unbelievable.
Boom.
Do I just have to go on and look at the case number as far as...
I'm sure someone from the state attorney's office will be contacting in reference to prosecution and getting your side of the story and all that. Yeah, the SAO will be in contact.
Okay.
I can just keep on going out that way?
Yeah, you can circle around.
Okay.
So say, for instance, I call someone, do they have to pay for the phone call, or will the phone call be free?
I don't know. I think it lets them know that someone's calling them from the Lake County Jail, and it's up to them if they pick it up.
Nakira Latanya Renee Sims was charged with felony possession of more than 10 counterfeit bills and misdemeanor petty theft under $750 and was formally trespassed from the Jenkins Nissan dealership. Sims was later released the following day after posting a $3,500 bond. 7 months after the incident on May 19th, 2025, Sims was found guilty on both charges. Subsequently, Nakira was sentenced to 24 months of probation and was ordered to pay $787 in court fees.
Okay, probation. All right, not bad. You have fake bills floating around. Probation. Okay. Yeah, man. I don't know why people mess with, their workplace. This is a spot, like the officer said, this is a spot where you make your money. You know what I mean? This is your job. People don't value their jobs. You know what I mean? That's pretty much what it comes down to. Nissan working at a car dealership, seems pretty decent, like a decent regular job, If she's in sales or something like that, I mean, if you're selling cars and stuff, you probably get a little bonus or whatever. Working at a car dealership, you learn good skills, good sales skills, and those are skills that are transferable anywhere, selling someone a product or selling someone this or selling someone that. You learn them type of skills, you'll be all right. But yeah, man, this case is just, it don't even make no sense, man. You swapping out your money for their money, and that place is all camered up. It's camered up. You work there. Why would you try to do that? They're gonna check the money. Car dealerships is, cash, credit, check type places. So, anyways, yeah, man. So I get officer, 5. He did good. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.